Some active stocks for Tuesday, the 23rd of December 2025. We have ONDS, AAL, Tesla, and then BBAI. ONDS down 3.34%. Volume so far 4.6 million. 46 million, as a matter of fact. Volatility is expected to increase in the coming days. It's trading at a discount to its volume weighted average price. Let's see what we have. Yesterday we covered it. It was on a move yesterday. It's lost, some of the gains it lost, it gained yesterday. It's lost some of them. We pointed out that it is currently in an expansion. Yeah. The extrapolation we have here seems to be suggesting that it might keep it up till the 2nd of January, and then after that, it might go into a contraction. Projections are currently saying $6, 6.56, 7.48. All of them are all a discount to its volume weighted average price of $9.245. There's no fresh news. What we can do is just see whether we can see what the market grid is going to say in terms of the potential it has in terms of pricing. Yeah, we can see here the higher prices here. Let's see what we have. As of now, it's saying 10.1, all the way between 10.1 and 8.44. So 10.1 is also at a premium to this volume weighted average price. That's a positive, but it's currently pointing downwards. So the odds of it testing 8.86 is there, and indeed also 8.64. Yeah, this is its daily chart. Let's just quickly glance at its 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is it's trading at right at its support. Right, yeah, right. You see where it is. It's at 8.96, so it's just above the S3. So by some measures, some traders might be getting ready to get back into the stock. Some might also be getting ready to, yeah, I would say they might be getting ready to enter, and some might be getting ready to exit. Yeah, if they haven't already exited the stock. Yeah. The extrapolation is on this 4-hour chart is saying that it's going to remain weak up till midday tomorrow, Christmas Eve, and then after that, it might bounce again. So it's volatility from now on. Sorry, consolidation from now on. That's what it's being projected or extrapolated. Yeah, as I indicated, we haven't really found. There's no news, no fresh news concerning the stock. But there might be. I don't think it's not really trending, but it's just a lot of shares have crossed the tape today above average. Yeah, so AAL, American Airlines, down 2.8%. Volume so far 39 million, still not up to its 50-day average. It's trading at slight discount to its volume weighted average price. Let's just quickly come down to see if there's any news concerning American Airlines. This is the holiday season. It should be doing well. 10 industrial stocks. Okay, US accepts a fault of Reagan airport collision that killed 67 people. Okay, let's see what we have for American Airlines. Okay, let's remove the market grid to get a clearer picture and apply the price pressure momentum for the 10-day moving average. Okay, so here it's saying that it's actually a contraction is about to play out or is playing out, and the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it may remain in place up till the end of January of next year, and then after that the uptrend may resume. The 40-day moving average is also expected to continue rising to curtail or moderate that contraction. Projections are saying nothing to the upside. 14.57. It is yeah, 14.57. It's a downward projection, but before now it had as high as 17.09, 16.43. Yeah. Okay, let's see. The momentum is expected to continue to weaken up till the 14th of January, and then after that, maybe attempt to resume again. Yeah, okay, let's see whether there's any news here. I doubt. No, no, no news. No news. But there might be some news somewhere, but well, it mustn't be. It's just trading a decent amount of a reasonable number of shares in this session. That's why it's on our radar amongst other things. So when the volume, well, it's not really a big day as such, but it is regardless, But amongst other things, it's also indicating that there's people are trading the stock. So I think amongst other things, when the volume is high for stocks like this, blue chip stocks or well capitalized stocks, well known stocks, stocks that funds are involved in, passive trader, passive, yeah, funds are involved in, amongst other things. It's also it indicates that money has been made, people are trading it, and there's something there for them to trade. Yeah, there's something for them to trade there. So that's why volumes have increased. Yeah. Okay. So here we have contraction is playing out, and after that we might see a consolidation. Projections are saying here 16.6, 17.06, 17.34. American Airlines may not be of interest to a lot of people, but it's a stock anyway, and it may have things. I mean, it may have things that are desirable, about it. So we have the market grid, and let's see what the potential is in between 15.99 and 15.64. Yeah. On the daily chart, what are the odds we're going to see something there? On the daily charts, we have between 16.71 and 15.81. It's currently at 15.79. So it's trading outside of the grid. So a pullback may happen anytime soon. Yeah. Okay. Tesla is down 0.64%. 39 million shares have crossed the tape. It's trading below its 50-day average so far. Tesla, let's see what's going on. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that it's going to be consolidation from now. It may be consolidation from now up till the 15th of January. Then after that, the uptrend may resume thereafter. Let's see whether there's any news. Okay, let's finish up with the technicals. Then we go to the news. And the 40-day moving average is also expected to continue rising to catch any pullback that might occur. Yeah. Okay, let's apply the 10-day moving average to see what's going to give us. The price pressure momentum on if it's 10-day moving average. Yeah, it's saying now weakness in momentum, maybe from the 29th of December. So nothing. Momentum is not expected to spike or anything like that, but it does not mean that the stock wouldn't show strength or anything like that. Okay, let's see. We could apply the market grid on the stock here. Market grid for Tesla. It might give us. So let's see what we have. We've already seen it has the potential to get up to six. Okay, now I wouldn't say potential. Projections are saying up to $600. So we have here between 504 and 473. 504 and 473. That's a potential it has, and it's trading at 484, so it's right in the support zone. So it's gradually, yeah, some investors and traders are getting ready to jump back into the stock. Yeah, they're getting ready to jump back into the stock. Let's see what is indicating. This is more of a long term, but the 4 hour chart is more of a trading chart. Yeah, it's very short term. Yeah, 490 and between 490 and 482, and it's currently at 484. So this is where it's also here as well. The opportunities, the window is gradually widening. Yeah, for an entry on into the stock here as well. Consolidation at least up till Friday the 26th is what is expected. Then after that, it might contract going all the way towards the Monday the 29th, and then in that session, maybe the uptrend may resume that from then. Yeah. Okay, let me change something here. This let's change it to okay. So let's see what we have for BBAI. BBAI down 4%. 31 million shares have crossed the tape. It's trading at a slight discount to its volume weighted average price. Volatility is expected to increase in the coming days. It's quite a high beta stock as well. Let's see what we have, whether there's anything for BBAI here. Okay, still loading up. On the 4 hour chart, that's consolidation is what is expected, going all the way towards the 5th of January. Projections are saying $6.4. Yes, ample room to the upside. If you're talking about upper projections, it has as high as 8.85 dollars. Let's look at its daily chart. Yeah, okay. As a matter of fact, the stock is actually trending down. Yeah, the trend is bearish. Yeah, it is quite bearish, even though it looks like it's well in the interim. You could say it's consolidating, but I can see it's bearish. Especially you can see the short term, the very short in the medium term, it's bearish. You can see the 40 period moving average is sloping bearishly lower, and even the yeah sloping down, sloping down. And the extrapolation is for lower prices to the contraction. This contraction that has started to that's been playing out is expected to remain in place up till the 29th of January. These are all extrapolations. No guarantee that that will be the case at all. And the 40 period moving average is equally expected to contract, continue to print lower prices to prevent any bounce that might happen. Projections are currently saying, let's see what we have. 3.35, 3.9, 4.81, and then 7.14, 7.95, 8.44. So the case is what could justify what is so bad that BBAI wouldn't see any bounce, wouldn't be able to reverse this downtrend that has just been that's been predicted for it. Yeah. What could be so bad? Is what is are the fundamentals so bad? I don't really think that it's so bad like that. The company come up with some news that will, yeah, it's the soft. I mean, the company always comes up with some news, some positive catalyst. So the odds of this happening like this is absolutely not there at all. But the algos, they also digest the news. The algos, this is not just based on anything; it's also based on sentiments and the news as well. So we can just quickly have a look at its market grid to see what it has in terms of potential. Okay, let's see what we have. Yeah, let's see what we have. It's trading at 6.09. So this is where it is right now in the support zone. So it may well be able to test 5.96. So that's something that can happen. But it also has 6.82 as well, the top of the grid. So as it is right now, people are considering getting back into the stock, even though we can see here that the oil prices are still expected. But let's see. We didn't check what the news for Tesla. Okay, nothing here. Will Big Bear AI emerge as a top small cap AI turnarounds 3? Okay, let's see what we have for Tesla in terms of news. There's always news for Tesla. Tesla electric vehicle sales fell nearly 39% in the EU and over 8% in China. US sales are expected to drop at 9% in 2025, marking a second annual decline. Q3 revenue hit $28.1 billion, up 11.6% year over year, exceeding forecasts by 5.7%. The stock surged 11.5% to $489.97, despite missing earnings per share estimates. In June 2025, Tesla began a limited robotaxi rollout in Austin, using Model Y SUVs in a specific area with a required safety monitor while testing vehicles without monitors. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.